Well, to round off what I've been able to do today with this Series 2 Royal Enfield Interceptor engine, I've dismantled and checked and cleaned the points. Both sets of points were in dire need of cleaning, but not badly worn, so I got them all cleaned up. The auto advance mechanism was jammed, so I've stripped that and sorted that out and freed it off, so that's working as it should now. I don't know that I'm going to be able to demonstrate how I do this with holding the camera and the pointy pliers and not having enough light, and I can't shine a light in there as well. But basically what I've been doing is I've been setting the engine to the fully advanced firing position and then getting the pointy pliers on the cam and obviously sort of rotating it in clockwise direction to turn it to full advance, and then ensuring that the points are just breaking open at that moment. And I've got both sets adjusted so they do that. And the full advance firing position on this, as I've got the heads off still, I decided that I'd put the dial gauge right on the top of the crown of the piston there, and basically we're at top dead center now where that's on 0, and each revolution of the clock is 0.1 of an inch. Apparently the figure is 0.355 of an inch before top dead center, or 32 degrees. So I've gone for the 0.355, and I'll show you how I've been doing it. I've got this big socket here for the engine sprocket nut. And basically from top dead center I turn it back. Let's see if we can do this. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. That's 0.355 of an inch before top dead center, or 9mm actually, as it happens, unless you want to measure right down to the last micron, of course. In that position, one of these sets of points, I think it'll be the top set, should be, yes, I might be able to get a bit of light on it. My head torch has gone into disco mode, unfortunately. We would see that the points are about to open there. You just about see the line. Oh, here we go, we're in the disco now. But the line on the cam is just coming up to the heel of the points there. And basically, if I got hold of the cam in the pointy pliers and rotated it forwards a bit, the points would be just touching, just breaking open in the full advanced position. And all I have to do, I can stick with the same piston because obviously they rise and fall together, but one full revolution of the engine, I could go off the same piston, use the same measurements and get my settings for the other set of points. And I've done that, of course, and I've got them both breaking open at 0.355 of an inch before top dead center, left and right, which apparently, according to the manual at least, equates to 32 degrees before top dead center on full advance. So now I've got the primary side built up as well, as we can see there. I really am just waiting for those seals for the cylinder heads for the pushrod tunnels to come, and if they land here tomorrow fairly handy, I should have the cylinder heads on later in the day tomorrow. So we've made some good progress even though we didn't have those seals today.